Today we are going to discuss what is the exact situation going on between US and Iran. So there is awaiting a final Iranian response to proposed peace deal to end the 2-month war. So there is a proposed deal so that they can finish off the 2 months war. And the final negotiations are going on. The US is waiting for Iran's response to one-page peace proposed amend at end, ending the war, which reportedly includes a temporary halt to Iranian uranium enrichment. There should be temporary halt to Iranian uranium enrichment and the unfreezing of assets in exchange for lifting sanctions. And despite the truce, the US forces reportedly targeted Iranian facilities, and Iran accused the US of targeting civilian areas because lots of civilian areas of Iran have been targeted by the US people, and hence there is a lot of chaos among them, and the US is targeting civilian areas and attacking ships. Iran also announced the seizure of an oil tanker in the Gulf of Oman. In the Gulf of Oman, the US people have seized an oil tanker, and then the US is maintaining a naval blockade on Iranian ports with roughly 70 plus tankers blocked. So US has blocked roughly 70 plus tankers, which is a huge number, while Iran continues to exert pressure on the maritime route. And since Iran is also doing in revert to that, and it is producing a continuous pressure so that the marine routes should be blocked by the Iran, and there is overall tension deal is going on. President Trump has threatened a renewed and more intense bombing campaign if Iran does not sign the deal, and Trump has threatened Iran that if Iran hasn't signed the deal, then there will be more and more bombardments. The conflict has severely disrupted global shipping. All over the shipping across the globe has been totally disrupted, as you can see from the last 2 months, and around 1500 ships reportedly trapped in the Gulf. So it's a huge number, and by this you can see how the world is moving on, and how because of this 2-month war among these people.